new base and implementing measures to minimize leakages.
Riwruog mar jong'ad buche pachoka wuok oko kasayo okil Ahmednassir Ahmed ma bende yande osebedo ka jakanyo duol matayo doho e pachoka. Bende gisayo Nelson Havi ma yande en jakom riwruogo kinde kod okinde mamoko masani bayo weche ne bad migawo no kod telo mare. Riwruogno wacho ni yo masani kirogo weche ne ten migawo mar doho kendo tiyo gi yo mar tok chike temo thiro tend doho no.
It is therefore quite disheartening and a show of bad faith for members of the Law Society of Kenya to renege from raising concerns through formal avenues in place, abandon the well-established complaints mechanisms, and opt to deploy eccentric tactics such as cyberbullying and other forms of online attacks for ulterior motives. The association urges all stakeholders to continue engaging the judiciary with genuine concerns regarding judicial processes and any notable inefficiencies. Our members are committed to ensuring that the judiciary not only remains transparent and accountable, but also is seen as being accountable while providing services to all Kenyans.
We have noted the online onslaught, which is so systemic, from specific members who have held leadership positions, as the judge has said, like the 49th president of the LSK and a former commissioner of the JSC, Mr. Ahmednassir, among others.